Forget everything you know about macaroni. Hey folks, I'm Azlyn Bloor from linsfood.com and SingaporeanMalaysianRecipes.com, where you'll find today's recipe, Macaroni Goreng. Goreng is fried or to fry. You'll know that if you've been following me a while. This is comfort in a bowl. Simple, easy midweek dinner, spicy, saucy. You'll wish you made more. Let's get to it. First thing we do, cook the macaroni. Drain it, cool it, because warm macaroni means stodgy macaroni goreng. And then we make the spice paste. We've got onion, garlic, and either fresh chilies or red chili paste like chili bowl. Click the link above for my video on homemade chili bowl. No chopper, finely chop everything, no big deal. And then we mix all our sauces together, ketchup, oyster sauce, kicap mayonnaise, light soy sauce, and a little bit more chili paste if you want it spicy. Mix it all up, set aside. Beat your eggs, set aside. Then we fry our spice paste or rempah, as we call it in Malay, until the oil separates, or the pecah minyak stage. More of that on my blog. Dump in your protein, whether that's chicken, seafood, tofu, or just plain old vegetables. This is completely up to you. And then we add our vegetables. I've got cabbage and bean sprouts here. It's completely up to you what you use. Pour in the sauce. Mix it all together well. Then we dump in our macaroni. Mix it all up. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's dryish. Then push your macaroni to the side and pour in your beaten egg, which I had the camera off for. Let it set for about 30 seconds. Then agitate your eggs and then repeat. And finally, mix it all up. This way, part of the egg is covering your macaroni. Part of the eggs is in nice little soft chunks. And finally, a little bit of green and some tomatoes. I'm using pak choi. You can use spinach, kangkung, completely up to you. That's it. Finish it all up with a good drizzle of lime juice. Serve it up and then go crazy with the topping. More lime juice, some chives or spring onions, some coriander leaves, a little bit of cucumber, some tomatoes, and either fresh chilies or a dollop of sambal. And that, my friends, is macaroni goreng made right. Saucy, spicy, or not, punchy, and honestly, so much better than pale pasta bake. Another pale pasta bake. Long day at work? If you've got pasta and bits and pieces in your fridge, vegetables, meat, tofu, whatever, this is a super quick and easy midweek meal. Give it a go. Tag me if you make it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, turn that bell on so you know when I've got a new video up.